Hi, this is a quick video to share with you how I removed the internal bar weight from a Honda Fireblade. There are many videos online explaining how to do it. They involved removing the airbox, the ECU and various other components, making it quite a long-winded job. However, what I did, I just removed the ignition switch by undoing the two bolts underneath, took it out of the way. I undid the two retaining bolts on the throttle cable housing. This allowed me then to slide the whole throttle tube up, revealing the two tabs that hold in place this bar weight. With the two tabs depressed, I was able to simply withdraw the bar weight without any need for any major reassembly. Just bolted this back on, bang, done. I hope this helps you. I was unable to find a simple way of doing it online, but there you go. Thank you, goodbye.